making a video. Warren, I'm making a video. I'm making a video. What do you want to say? I want to make a YouTube video. What do you want to say, Warren? What are you eating? What is this video going to be about? Warren, come on. Say something.
No.
She's got a Pokemon thing in her mouth. That's what she's got in her mouth. Here's some Poke cards I got in this.
Jack, you try on your
Flash fire. So, in that flash fire pack, the main thing that you're gonna get is this guy. Heliolisk. So, the reason I got this pack is because since you get a Heliolisk, then you get the Helioptile. Yeah. Zippy. That's why I wanted to get this pack, so I could get one of these. And I did. So I got 3 or 4, I don't know. I got 3 right here. And I also got a bunch of other guys. I got here's some of my strongest, like this guy. He's pretty strong. And from Snorlax, who's surprisingly has a stronger attack than Yveltal. Let's see, where is Snorlax? Snorlax. That'll always be somewhere over here. Snorlax. Here's Snorlax. Come on. Snorlax. You're snoring and you're lax. Come on. Snorlax. Okay, guys, I can't find them. And I'm also going to need some other things. So, in the Lego Minifigures Series 12, I got this wizard guy, and this is what he looks like. One second, guys. Still trying to put him on. So yeah, he's apart a little bit. Here he is. Was on kind of weird. I fixed it though. So there's a code that I'm gonna show you guys. So you can lock your minifinger online. So if you get the wizard, I think this is only for the wizard. This is the code. Okay, you guys can't see it very well. Code is, let's go right. I can speed about this going on the screen because I'm using the capture. D5S FH, why is it doing that? D5S FHQ CPD MQN. Pause it right now if you want to do that. So yeah. Next, I'm doing Yeah, it comes with one hex bug and it has these cool stuff, like these cool things that the hex bug can do in the pack. So yeah, next was the Aquabot. It was made by Hexbug. So it's a little robot fish that swims around, not really that entertaining. This box I used was actually from the Hexbug box that I was in, and my mom used it as a tank, and we kind of thought I was supposed to use it as a tank, so. See it just swimming around there? All it's really moving is its tail. There's no lid on it, that's why you can hear it. It shuts off every 5 minutes. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Do you want anything to say? You gonna say anything? In the bathroom? Are you gonna say anything in the bathroom? Bye.